See the Androecium. Androecium. As I told you, andro it means a male. Andro means male, and ecium means house. So this is the male sex organ, and its units are called as stamen. And when we see the structure of stamen, the stamen consists of two parts, that is anther and a filament. Here you can see. Here is the this one part. This part is anther, and the long slender part is filament. This one is the filament. This one is the filament. This is sterile part, and this one is the fertile part. Then, when we take the transverse section of anther, we can see this is the dithecous anther. Di means two, and theca it means a chamber. So when we take the section, so we can see it after taking its transverse section, we can see these four locules chamber. Like if we see the vehicle in a horizontal way, we can see only the two tires, but actually it has the two tires on the either side. So like that, and if the dithecous anther, after taking a transverse section, we can see the four locules, and these are the four locules, that is tetralocular. And after taking the transverse section, we can see this part after taking transverse section. So the anther will show this part, that is from the outer part is epidermis, which is protective. Generally these three layers are protective, that is epidermis, endothecium and middle layer. These all three layers are protective in function. So this epidermis is outer most protective in function. This endothecium, it is hygroscopic. Hygroscopic means moisture absorbing. It has the moisture and have alpha cellulosic wall as well. Then these are if you see this epidermis, endothecium, here you can see single layers are there. And in the middle layer, that is 1 to 3 layer structure, it is epimeral. Epimeral, the word is used as here for middle layers is epimeral. Ephemeral means it is short-lived, not staying for the long time. It is short-lived because during dehiscence it will burst and pollen grains are going to release. Then the innermost layer is called as tapetum. Tapetum is the innermost layer, which is nutritive. Its cell contain more than one nucleus, that is they are the polyploid in nature. So tapetum, and here is the connective. Means here we can see the connective, means which will connect this filament is going to connect to this anther by means of connective. Here is the connective tissue is there. So this is anther. Then the here this is the diagram of transverse section of mature anther. Then enlarged view of one microsporangium. Name is given here microsporangium. Micro it means small, and spora it means spore, angium it means bag. This is called as microsporangium also because it contains the microspore. So that's why the name is given microsporangium. You see the structure of this tapetum. In the tapetum, there are the two kind of cells are there. One is called as secretory cell, and another is plasmodial or invasive cell. Secretory means, as the name suggests, it will produce a secretion. Which kind of secretion? It will produce a secretion which will help for the pollen germination. So, which kind of secretion it will produce? It will produce, it has pollen kit, then sporopollenin, and then compatibility factor. Compatibility factor. These things are going to use for when pollen grain land on the stigma. So during the germination of this pollen tube on the stigma, these factors are going to helpful. Not all, but if you see this sporopollenin is the most resistant biochemical which is present on the exine of pollen grain. Pollen kit is present, then compatibility factor is present, and plasmodium or invasive cells. So being the tapetum, it is having the thick and dense. It has thick protoplasm which dissolve and provide the nourishment to the developing that microspore. And in the anther there are the microspore mother cell, So after meiosis, that is reductional division, they will produce microspore. Microspore mother cell undergo meiosis or reductional division, and they will produce the microspore or pollen grain. Then, so if we see the cell division in the pollen grain, then there are the two kind of division. That is, one is simultaneous, another is successive division. In the this kind of division means the successive and simultaneous. The difference is that in the simultaneous, the division is going to take place. This division of cytoplasm, that is cytokinesis, is once, means at the end, and here the cytokinesis is going to take place at two different places. If we see the